Whew. Oh, hate insulation. God, you can just see it floating in the air. That's it. On to the rock.
When looking back at all these clips, I realized that I'm clearly here for a good time and not a long time, because this was a lot of bad that I breathed into this whole process. So yeah, wear a mask, everybody. Always.
Okay, so got all the drywall on this wall. Just need to screw it off. Gonna do that. And then gonna add some runners up here at the top so we're able to hang the top. And once we get the top hung, then we can come back and do our little strip and then all of this. And also I've got a lot of stuff coming from Grizzly Industrial, I think as soon as Thursday. And today is Monday. And I already bought some stuff, Grizzly brand, off Facebook Marketplace. Try to get stuff as cheap as you can sometimes. Anyways, woo!
I debated putting this clip in here, but since I am remodeling the garage of a rented house and my landlord was concerned with the drywall hanging and the screw pattern on the drywall, I decided to put it in here so you could see it. Jason, here is the screw pattern. It is good to go.